Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur license plate in any video. Let's say if you're recording a car video, or if you're recording, scooter or a two-wheeler or a three-wheeler, four-wheeler truck, whatever you want to, whichever license plate you want to blur. Now, this is useful for people who do motovlogging, people who post dashcam videos, because if you post license plates in certain countries, it is illegal to do so. So my goal is to make sure that I, show you how this is possible using bgblur.com. So by default, bgblur gives you around 35 to 30 credits when you sign up on the platform. So this allows you to try the platform out before you decide if you want to pay for it to do more heavy processing and so on and so forth. So just to give you an example, Blur is not a simpler solution to solve. It consumes a lot of computing power, because you take a 1 second video. A 1 second video is, let's say, average 30 fps. Now 30 fps meaning 30 images in that single second. You multiply it by 60, it keeps getting expensive. So it consumes a lot of energy in order to process these videos. But it's still, like, if you compare bgblur with any video editor or any external tool that takes your time, it's extremely cheap, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload the video here. And in here, I'm just using the same video that we have on the homepage. So this is the video I want to try out, and you can see there's a number plate here that I want to blur in the video. So I'm going to click on blur license plates here, and then in here you get two options. You have blur license plates, that is, completely blur this or replace this with a logo for your brand. So for now, I'm going to click on blur license plate, and it gives you two options. Do you want to do like a smooth blur or pixelated blur? I'm going to just keep the smooth blur option. Let's generate a preview of the video to see how the blur is going to look like, right? So again, an optional step, and it takes a random image from the entire video and gives you a preview of how the blur might look like. So in this, it took the screenshot of this, but there's no license plate here. So let's just go ahead and process this video. This video is around 19 seconds long, and it can take some time in order to complete the processing. So I'm going to be back once the video is ready. So the video is ready here, and if you just play this, you can see the number plate that this video has is now completely blurred, and this applies for any number plate that we would see in this specific video. Now you have the option to upscale it from here in case you want to upscale to 2x, 4x. You can just click the video here, and then if you have any feedback, please go ahead and share this across here. So it took me around 1.5 minutes to get this done, which is way faster than if I had to do this manually or with a video editor and so on. So thank you so much for working with me through this, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.